Hi, so in this session, I am going to cover the creating of secrets, but if you have a certificate, and then how to create a secret using the certificate. So basically, the SSL communication, like when you hit web server with HTTPS, that is a secure communication. So SSL certs are very important, and a lot of applications when you are running your application in a cluster, it's a requirement by a lot of applications to use SSL certs. So the certs can be terminating at the ingress proxy, or certs can terminate even on the container. So they can terminate at the pod level or even at the container level. So to create a secret which uses uh, TLS, so the easiest way to create a secret which has like a TLS secret is using the command kubectl create secret again, and we specify, but we need to specify the key and the cert. So in this, I'm going to show you how to generate a key and a cert. So I have my cluster, I have logged in, and my cluster is all ready, right? And I have a script, but I'm just going to I'm listing the steps as you can see on my screen. So basically, I'm going to generate the private key. So private key is something that only that application will own, and it is basically an its access to the key. So the simple command, and I am going to use OpenSSL. There are other tools also, but I'm going to just use OpenSSL, and I can give any passphrase. So this will create my key. Now if you do, my key got created. The next step for that is CSR, which is a cert signing request. So again, I will use my same command, but it needs the key. So the key I just created, I am going to use that. I should name it as my CSR, and again I need the passphrase. So country name US, state I can do PA, default city, organization. So this is basically specific to an organization. I can do self. So I have my CSR with it. Now with my key and with my CSR, I can create my cert. So I have the command in here, which is so I'm generating a self-signed certificate. So in this example, I'm generating a self-signed certificate, but you can also, but normally the way it's done is you use the organization that you work for. The certs are generated by them because it will have information about the organization, and about the root level certificates are generated by the organization, and those are supposed to be used. But this is just a sample. But and so I'm going to use my key, my CSR, to generate the cert. So I will still need all this information. And if I see, I will have my cert and the key. So now I only need to use my cert and my key to generate my secret. So I can do simple kubectl create secret. Now this is a TLS. I'm going to call it as my TLS minus key is equal to, so my key is my dot key minus cert is equal to my dot cert. That's it. So it got created. Let me see. So if I do get secrets, I have my secret, the one I created. Which one I created? My TLS. That's my secret, my TLS. And if I do a describe on it, there's nothing you can see, right? But it has in itself, it has a TLS cert and a TLS key. So that's all. And basically, so the secret can be also a cert key. It can be a user ID, password. The secret can be made for a user ID. It can be made for password. So Kubernetes secrets are all base 64 encoded as of now. So they can also be encrypted, but the basic ones is base 64 encoded. And you can delete the secret that just created. This is my base secret.